Good afternoon. Welcome to Cook and Barbecue 24/7. Today I have a great recipe here behind me. I'm about to share with you guys and I'm looking forward to it. Let's get cooking. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I have this large sea bass that I got from my local fish market. Guys, just to tell you guys, do not be intimidated by cooking a large fish like this. Instead of cooking multiple 3, 4, 5 small fish, you can pick up one of these, wash it, get it seasoned, and like my mom said, season it and throw it in the oven and let the oven do the work. I'm going to use this Pain is Good Chipotle hot sauce as a binder. Come back with some garlic and herb Mrs. Dash, some Heath, Ryles, jalapeno, and garlic seasoning, and season this fish real well, and then hit it with some onions and red bell peppers. And guys, all my videos, the full recipe is in the description. So let's get this video going. Hey everyone, if you enjoying my video so far and you have not hit the subscribe button, please hit that subscribe button. You'll be the first to see my barbecue, seafood, and family recipe videos. Thanks. And just like that, she's ready for the oven. We're going to cover this up. I have my oven preheating on 375 degrees and ready to get this nice fish in. Here it is going in at 375 degrees. We're going to shut the oven down, not even look at it. And here we are with the work of magic. This is at the 2-hour mark. The fish is very tender, almost done. We don't have the color we want. So what we're going to do is remove the aluminum foil and turn the oven on broad on low for about 30 minutes. And we're going to keep an eye on it, and that way it doesn't burn. So here we go, 30 minutes on low broil. This is how the fish look after being on low broil for 30 minutes. It turned out very well, nice and crispy, and it smells awesome. We're gonna let this cool, and then I'm gonna give you guys a taste test. This fish turned out great. Very spicy with that hot sauce, very flavorful with the Mrs. Dash and the Heath, Ryles jalapeno garlic. We'll try this again. And again, guys, don't be intimidated by these large fish. Get it washed, get it seasoned, get it in the oven, and let the oven do the rest. I want to thank everybody for watching my videos. Until next week, cook and barbecue 24/7.